Hey guys, this is the dashboard, and it's a Monday night here in Florida. It's a rainy Monday night. We're scheduled to go out to the Yulee Cars and Coffee Streetlights event. We're hoping the rain will move out by the time we get there. So we may or may not have a video from this event. We're going to see what we're going to see. So, yeah, we may have a video and we may not. I'm just mainly going out to see what's there. Anyway, stay tuned. Alright guys, I am at the place where the car show is supposed to be, and as you can see, there are no cars here. And it's not raining, believe it or not. So, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we are at the 7-Eleven where the Streetlights event was supposed to happen at 8 o'clock. Just got word that they canceled the event due to rain, which is kind of ironic because it is not currently raining. It has finally quit raining today. So, anyway, it is what it is. So we're going to head on home. We just are not having any luck with car shows this week. We keep going and we keep finding out there ain't no car shows. So, it is what it is. It's Florida monsoon season. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll see you on the next one. We're not going to have a car show tonight. It's summer in Florida and it's afternoon showers. So, I mean, what can you say? Monsoon season as here. I had really hoped to get this one in because, ironically, it's not currently raining. So, anyway, you win some, you lose some, but I've been losing a lot lately on these car shows because they advertise them and they're not there, or you show up and there's one or two cars and it's just not worth it to do anything. So, I guess it's just one of those things. So anyway, stay tuned. I don't know what I've got coming up this weekend, this next weekend. I don't have any plans. I mean, I think I've got the Callahan Cruisers are doing their monthly cruise in at the Hardee's restaurant. That's all I know I've actually really got. There may be something else that comes up between now and then that might be interesting, but I just don't know. I can't. Right now, I don't. It don't pay for me to plan for anything because they may not happen because of the weather. But it's kind of sad that right now we could be having a car show, but we're not. So anyway, I'll catch you on the next one.